Once a security incident has been contained, the next crucial step in the incident handling process is eradication. Eradication ensures that the root cause of the incident is completely removed, preventing attackers from regaining access and eliminating any remaining traces of malicious activity. Without proper eradication, attackers may return, leading to repeated security breaches and further damage. Why eradication is critical. Containment may stop an attack temporarily, but eradication eliminates the underlying threat. If not done properly, organizations risk persistent malware infections, data corruption or unauthorized access, attackers re-establishing control through hidden backdoors, compliance violations due to incomplete threat removal. A great example is the 2018 attack on SingHealth, where hackers remained undetected for months because the initial containment did not completely eradicate their access. Proper eradication prevents such prolonged breaches. Steps to effective eradication. 1. Identify the root cause. Conduct forensic analysis to determine how the attack occurred. Was it due to unpatched vulnerabilities, weak passwords, or a phishing attack? 2. Remove malware and malicious artifacts. Use advanced endpoint protection tools to scan and remove malware, backdoors, and unauthorized scripts. 3. Patch vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Apply security updates and fix system weaknesses exploited by the attackers. 4. Rebuild or restore compromised systems. In severe cases, rebuilding affected machines from clean backups is the safest option. 5. Reinforce security controls. Strengthen firewall rules, access controls, and monitoring mechanisms to prevent reinfection. Tools and techniques for eradication. Endpoint detection and response, EDR solutions. Identify and remove hidden malware or unauthorized access. Threat hunting and forensic analysis. Use tools like Volatility and Wireshark to analyze system memory and network traffic. Security patching and hardening. Update operating systems, applications, and security policies. Access control and privilege management. Review and restrict user privileges to prevent lateral movement. Best practices for complete eradication. 1. Verify all systems are clean. Perform multiple scans using different tools. 2. Monitor for reinfection attempts. Attackers may try to re-enter through alternative methods. 3. Document the incident. Keep records for compliance and future prevention. 4. Conduct a post-eradication audit. Ensure that no remnants of the attack remain. Eradication is essential for a full recovery. In the next lecture, we'll explore Step 5, Recovery, where we discuss restoring operations safely and ensuring long-term security. Stay tuned.